Guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your heating problem in your Android mobile phone permanently. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone. Alright, scroll down and find location. Click on location and make sure that is toggled off like so. And while you're in location, click on location services and make sure these two are toggled off as well. So this was the first option, now I'll show you the second option. Alright, go back to the main screen settings and then type in build number. And now click on build number. And where it says build number, click on that 7 times until you are a developer. Once that is done, click back and then click into developer options. And now from here, look for background process limit and click into that. Should be near the bottom. If I can find it, there it is there, background process limit. So you want to click on no background processes. So click on no background processes. So after changing all these settings, your phone should run a lot more cooler. And that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.